What happens when faith in life, society, and progress completely collapses? This feeling of deep disappointment is called disillusionment, and it lies at the heart of modern literature. At the beginning of the 20th century, the world witnessed World War I, a conflict so destructive that it shattered people's belief in heroism, religion, and human goodness. Writers who lived through this period could no longer write with hope or optimism. Instead, they wrote about loss, confusion, and broken ideals. In modern literature, disillusionment means the loss of faith in traditional values, such as patriotism, love, and moral certainty. Life appears meaningless, society feels empty, and individuals feel isolated and alienated. Characters often struggle internally, questioning their identity and purpose in a chaotic world. T.S. Eliot's The Waste Land presents a spiritually dry and hopeless modern society. Ernest Hemingway's war novels show that war brings no glory, only suffering. Wilfred Owen's poetry exposes the cruel reality behind false patriotic dreams. In short, disillusionment defines the modern literary spirit. It reflects a world where old beliefs no longer work and writers search for meaning in uncertainty. Understanding this theme helps us truly understand modern literature itself. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more English literature insights.